Welcome everyone. History exploration in search of the beauty of the motherland Heladeepa. If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button below and activate the bell button. Let's go to the video. Today we are getting ready to climb a beautiful and very beautiful mountain as usual. Then now we are in the middle of Balangoda town to get the things we need to camp tonight.
We are now at Galagava Junction, a short distance down the Balangoda Veliville Road in the Ratnamala district of Sabaragamuda province. If you are coming by bus, you can also take the Laduyaya bus from Galagama Junction to the foothill of Havagala. After that, you can reach the top of Havagala mountain by climbing the mountain along the by road.
Havagala is a beautiful hill near Belurhaya. It is surrounded by popular landmarks in the area including Adrakanda, Nanperial Estate and Horton Place. The surrounding paddy fields, forests, mountains and the beautiful waterfall of this area have attracted locals and foreigners alike, and it is no wonder that it has become a hot spot in the Sabaragamuda province.
Furthermore, students of the Faculty of Geology, University of Sabaragamuda, use this mountain for their study activities.
Hi guys, now we are at the top of Mountain Hagala. By this time we had finished building our two tents and we have finished making our dinner. So guys, this location is very gorgeous. So but I don't have words to explain this beauty. We asked the villagers why this mountain is called Hagala. So the answer given by the villagers was that this mountain is called Hagala because its shape looks like a rabbit. And Mithila, Sachita, Chatura, Kania, Chanu and Sajid, all of us are behind the camera. So we are hungry now and we will see you tomorrow. Good night guys.
Good morning guys, very sleepy. Almost everyone who had camped here today was away until dawn. So the reason is heavy rain and strong winds. Guys, a lot of camps broke up with our camps because of the wind. So now the gang is searching for lost items and we need to get down the hill quickly before the next rain. So it's hard. It's hard to get down with the rain and it's sleepy. If you come camping here, be sure to check out the weather. Let's talk the rest as we go down.
Those who are going to travel to Havagala should keep this in mind. Enjoy the beautiful environment of Havagala, but don't leave anything you carry up there. Bring back even the toffee paper. Save only your footprints. Be sure to protect the environment from fire as much as possible. Do your best to preserve the beautiful environment. It is the absolute duty for all of us. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and continue watching videos like this. Thank you very much.